Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites, the syllabus, past papers, and the exact lecture notes you'll be tested on. Once gathered, make a fast decision. Choose one topic and reserve a 2-hour slot now. Set a 25-50-minute focused timer and use active recall. Write what you know, then check. This first actionable step moves you from planning to doing, and it prevents procrastination while giving immediate feedback on gaps to target next. Once you've begun, shift into the complex middle. Alternate timed focus blocks with short breaks, for example 50/10 or 25/5, and always include practice problems during each block. Make one-page summaries for each topic and use spaced repetition to revisit them across days. Interleave related subjects so you learn to switch context. It strengthens retrieval. Teach each concept aloud to yourself or a peer to expose weak links, and update notes immediately. To finish, simulate the exam. A full-timed mock under realistic conditions, then grade it honestly against the marking scheme. Once done, focus 1-hour sessions on your 2 or 3 weakest areas and follow with a light, confidence-building review. Make sure to sleep well before the test and do a short 30-minute recap on the morning of the exam. If you get stuck during prep, switch modality, read versus speak, ask a peer or tutor, or break the topic into 10-minute chunks to regain momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.